Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamer and I'm back with another video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already down below. So first of all, let's just get right into this video. I started a vlog, I'm doing a vlog, and I was like, let me just record this video separately and just make it a tutorial. First of all, you guys, don't do me. Please don't do me. I need a trim, so please don't. I need a cut, actually. I need a cut. This whole, all that, I need to cut all that off. Please don't do me. And I also just have my daughter, like, it'll be 2 years in January, she'll be 2 years old. I had my daughter, so y'all, my hair came out, like, literally my hair fell out due to postpartum hair loss. And that's why I have these flyaways, because I did not want to cut all my hair off after I had my daughter, but my hair still was falling out. And I just couldn't come to terms with cutting all my hair off. So my hairs that grew back, you guys, they're like everywhere. So please don't do me. But don't do me. But so this is the hair that I'm gonna use to do the braided ponytail. It is the X-Pression 3x58" pre-stretch braiding hair. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And it's already pre-stretched. All you have to do is take it out, do whatever. So we're doing a braided ponytail today. Just a quick protective style, you guys. So this is extreme hold edge control. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go around my edges, and I'm gonna try to keep out the pieces that I'm gonna use as my edges, and not edge control that down. So let's do that first. Okay, so now that we're done with that, I'm just gonna go in with the Got To Be, and I'm gonna spray around my hair while holding it. So now that was super easy. So now I'm gonna go in with the Spritz, okay? Before I go with the Spritz, take this down, let it hang, whatever. Now with the Pump It Up Spritz, I do not spray this directly on my hair because it is kind of wet. You're supposed to spray it away, but it still is kind of wet. So what I do, I spray it on my brush, and then I brush it through my hair like that. So we're gonna do that. And make sure that you clean your brush out after you do this, because it will gook up and stuff like that. And then we're just gonna brush around the perimeter. Same thing like we did with the Got To Be glue. So I'm gonna take this ponytail out, then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna re-brush it. And as you guys can see, it's kind of sort of like stuck, but not yet. So we're gonna try to get it to where it's stuck. So I'm gonna brush it around again. I'm gonna spray this and brush around again. So we have our ponytail, and then the next step for me, I go in and I do my baby hairs and I tie my hair down for a little while before I starting on the ponytail. So I got my edge control. I do not flat iron my baby hairs, you guys. I literally just mold them. So we got our ponytail. Now all we're gonna do is we're just gonna take our rubber band or scrunchie, and it's sectioned off in 2 pieces. So you're just gonna do one piece going over the ponytail, and then one half going this way onto the ponytail, going over your face like this. And you're just gonna rubber band it on there. Okay, and then you're just gonna flip that over, and then you're just gonna take out a piece of hair so that you can wrap the top piece. Well, wrap it around the top of the braid. So you're just gonna take out a little bit of hair for that. Oh, let's see how much you're gonna take out. Oh, my baby hair messed up. This should be enough. So we're gonna leave this to the front. So now we're just gonna go in and we're just gonna start our braid. So let's start our braid. You're gonna make sure you section it off into 3 even pieces. So I'm using this Shea Moisture gel. You just want to use any type of gel to try to conceal your hair into the braid while you're braiding. I usually just put some like on the top of it before I do the braid, and then we're just gonna get into braiding. Just gonna add in a little bit of hair in here. And then now we're just gonna wrap this piece. So I'm just gonna brush it and we're gonna wrap this piece. And I'll do like a little spritz on it. I'll do spritz on the brush like always. So I always spritz my brush. And then as I'm wrapping it, I'm just gonna put the spritz on here from the brush. Boom. And we're just gonna start wrapping it around the top. So we're just gonna take this and wrap it around the top part of it. I'm just going to spritz it around the top. And with braiding hair, you don't really need to use a bobby pin because it'll stay, because it's uneven. So now that's that. And then I want the ends to be curly, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2 flexi rods in the end, and then I'm going to go dip it in water. Or I could just do one because it's not that much hair. So I'm just going to do 1 flexi rod at the end. I'm just going to rock it as many times as I can and as tight as I can. And then we're just going to close it. Like that. And I'm going to go dip the ponytail in some hot water. Then I'll be back once I tie my hair out and dip it. So this is the ending that I have because I accidentally deleted the ending of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you for watching.